Hi guys! Today we're going to make some DIY Christmas cards. You will need colored paper and markers. You need a rectangle and a triangle. We're going to fold the triangle like this. We're going to glue it onto the rectangle paper. I'm going to put the sticker on so it's its nose. I'm going to draw the eyes. You can also use googly eyes. And now I'm going to draw the reindeer ones. And then you can write a Christmas message. I will cut the bit that is left. And this is how it turned out. I hope you liked this craft and see you next video. Bye!